I will show you how to set up Facebook pixel in your e-commerce website or any kinds of website. So if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any question, please comment below. And let's go start. First I'll go to the Meta Business Suite account, then click All Tool, then click Event Manager, and then I'll come the connect data, and I will set up pixel in my website. That's why I choose the website, and the next data set sorry, create a new data set. Okay, I will create a new data set, name VISION Hisham pixel. You can keep any kind of name here, then create. Okay, and it will take some time. Okay, then I will choose the manual setup. Okay, then from here, and then next conversation, and then meta pixel only. Okay, and then next. And friend, if you have any question, please comment below, I will reply. And then copy this code, and add base code the website header. So I will copy and I will input this code in my website header section. And then this is my website, and this is the website header start, header ending. So I will place here. Okay, then everything is okay. I will update this file. Okay, and this is loading edit files, file edited successfully. And then I will check it, there is no pixel showing here. I just finished the setting, then continue, and then turn on automatic advanced messaging. Everything is turned on here. Okay, then continue, and then using add event. Okay, then I'll check my pixel with show sorry, this one meta pixel helper is not showing any pixel. I will reload this. Okay, so one pixel is showing here, meta pixel. Okay, then sorry for the background noise. And then I will 973. Okay, I'll check it later. Then I will go to the right next sensor, go to pixel overview. Okay, okay, see 973, the same pixel, and this is the pixel overview. And I'll go to setting, link your mobile app, turn on. I'll set up the event now. Okay, event setup. Okay, the event setup tool, show your overview, then auto tracking. Okay, then I will go to the event setup. Then I'll bring my website URL here. then here and event. Before this I have to check my website how many pages it has. It's home page. Then if I click the border now or here, it will show the it can be view content, and then order now, it can be checkout page, and then after fill up this information, if I place order, then it will okay, okay, right, then place order. If I place order, thank you guys. Okay, so okay, then pixel is here showing but no event is here. I will try to fix some event. Add a new track button or track URL. I will use this one, track URL. So if I click here, it's loading, not showing anything. Okay, then I will back. Right, then I'll click this event, and here I will select view content. Okay, then uh, this can be URL content. Then I will select the equal, this one. Do not include values, is a value. I will select the value. Sorry, then I'll select BDT, and this is the value, and I confirm it. Okay. Then I'll click the order now button here. If I click order now button, this one, it will click initiate checkout. Initiate checkout, it can be used BDT. Okay, my currency is BDT, that's why it is BDT, this one. Okay, then confirm it, and I'll go to the check order price. And then this is the wait, I am deleting this checkout page, and I'll select this URL. Okay, then event, then sorry, no, and track only equivalent, this one, choose currency BGT, and then this one, this one, right. It's not tracking, and sell. I exit page. Right, let's reload it. Okay, I will follow this new track button. This is order now, and initiate checkout is then go to the my currency is BDT, choose the value on this page, which one, okay, then confirm it. Okay, then I'll click the border the page, and then this one. Okay, setup and domain versus. Now I'll flag this one. Then and this is the versus equivalent to versus. Include the value from. If you have any question, please comment below, I will reply. And if you want to contact me, I will left my contact information in the description box. Okay, then here what's going on. Okay, I'll recommend the checkout page URL. I recommended the checkout page, then confirm it. And if you have any other kind of page, you can add your event from here. I will check the event, initiate checkout, purchase, view content, and this is the final process. And click the finish setup. Okay, then finish setup. Okay, yes. Okay, and this is the process of setting TikTok pixel. Then I'll check it. Okay, actually it will take few hour, maybe 1 hour or half an hour to installing all this pixel event here. Then after all, I will try. Okay. So this pixel is showing here meta pixel, and then I'll click the here and see page view is working. Then order. Actually, see pixel 2 is firing. Wait. This page is loading. Right. Sorry. See the page view initiate checkout is working. Actually it will take few hours to set up properly. The server and the browser will give that after 30 minutes or an hour later. So then I will check it, and I hope it will okay. And if you have any question, you can comment, I will reply. And if you need my contact information, I will put it in the description box. Please check and try to contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.